Did you know a Roman dictator once made mass murder completely legal with just a list? In November 82 BCE, Romans thought the civil war was finally over and life would return to normal. But Sulla had other plans. For days he worked in secret, preparing something Rome had never seen before. Then one morning, citizens woke to find massive stone tablets posted in the forum. They contained 4,700 names of fellow Romans marked for death. Anyone could kill these people legally and collect a reward by bringing their heads to Sulla. Their property was seized instantly, and their sons banned from politics forever. Every morning, new tablets appeared with fresh names. Citizens rushed to check if they were next, scanning the lists in pure terror. This wasn't just about eliminating the enemies, it was brilliant economics. The confiscated wealth funded Sulla's entire political program. He had turned legal murder into a business model. This template would be copied by dictators for centuries to come.